Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Simply Food. Today I am going to show you how to make dhaba style chicken tadka at home. It's a famous Indian dal recipe. To make chicken tadka, you will need 250 gram boiled mung bean, 400 gram boneless chicken cubes, sliced onion, chopped green chilies, chopped garlic, chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander leaves, ginger paste, Kasoori Methi, Turmeric powder, red chilli powder, Cumin powder, Tadka Masala, salt, white butter and mustard oil. To make, into a pan add 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil. Heat the oil. Add sliced onion into the oil. Fry it until it gets soft. Now add chopped garlic. Fry it for some time. Add chopped green chilies according to your taste. I love spiciness of green chilies, so I add lot of it. Now stir it well. Now add chicken cubes and fry it well. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, not too much, salt as per your taste, cumin powder and ginger paste. Now mix them all together very nicely. Add chopped tomatoes and cook for 7 minutes. Now add Tadka Masala. You can buy it from market very easily. Mix it well. Now add boiled green gram or muk korai in Bengali terms and mix with the chicken. Now add fresh chilies another time for its freshness. Add 100 ml of water and let them cook for 5 minutes. Now at this stage, add Tadka Masala again. Kasoori Methi. Stir it. Add freshly chopped coriander. Add white butter. Mix it well. Your dhaba style chicken tadka is now ready, and garnish with onion rings and fresh green chilies. You can serve chicken tadka with roti and chapati. Thanks for watching. Like and please comment on my videos, share my videos, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.